Hello and a good day to everyone. Today we are going to present about MAT112 Business Mathematics, which the topic is compound interest and annuity, prepared for Sir Muhammad Khairul Hafiz from group MAT112G15. So our team consists of me, Jazlan, Ihtisyam bin Sahizan from BA111. My student number is 2025205358. Afiz Sahlan from BA111 2025803104. Muhammad Adif 2025817334. While Arfan Hakimi is 2025881884.
Hello and very good evening. My name is Afi. So, on this question, any wishes to invest RM 40,000 in a bank for 5 years? She has two options. So the first option is Bank A. The Bank A is promote interest rate for 3.5% in compound quarterly. And then for the second option is Bank B, that promote the interest rate for 4% compounded monthly. So which option should she choose for better financial return? Okay, so this question, we must use future value formula, that is S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of N. So the first is Bank A. So we get the K is 3.5 or 0.035, and then the M equal to 4. So we conclude, we put in the formula that S equal to 40,000, 1 plus 0.035 over 4 to the power 4 times 5. And then we got the answer equal to RM 47,613 and 55 cents. And then for the Bank B, we get that K equal to 4% and then M equal to 12. So we put in the formula, so we get 40,000, S equal to 40,000, 1 plus 0.04 over 12 and to the power of 12 times 5. So we get the answer for Bank B equal to RM 48,839 and 86 cents. So the conclusion here is, after comparing the future values both of the bank, it is clear that Bank B provide a higher return compared to Bank A for the same principal amount and investment period. The higher compounding frequency and interest rate offered by Bank B result in a greater accumulated amount. Therefore, any is advised to choose Bank B as this allow her to achieve better financial growth and maximize the benefit of her investment over the 5 years period. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and a very good evening to all. So from the question above, we substitute the formula of future value S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of N. So S equal to 10,000, P times with 1.0075 to the power of 24, and we get 10,000 to the equals with P times with 1.197396, and P 10,000, P is equal to 10,000 over by divided by 1.197396, and we got P is equal with RM 8352.18 and 3% compounded quarterly for 5 years. Interest we divided from 0.03 divided by 4, so we got interest 0.075, and we got 5 times 4, so we got 20, and we substituted using a future value formula. S is equal to P 1 plus 0.0075 to the power of 20, and S is equal to 8352.18. P, we want to find P times with 1.16111, and P is equal with 8352.18 per 1 point divided by 1.161112, so we got P RM 7193.94. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arfan Hakimi and I'm from BA111. So now I'm gonna answer the question 3. We're gonna use the formula I equal to S minus P. So when 18,500 minus 16,000, and we got 2,500. Therefore, the total interest earned is 2,500 ringgit. Substitute the value into the formula. 18,500 ringgit equal to 16,001 plus I to the power of 12. Next, we divide both sides by 16,000. 1 plus I to the power of 12 equal to 18,500 ringgit divided by 16,000, and we got 1.15625. Now we take the 12th root. 1 plus I equal 1.15625 to the power of 1 over 12, and we got 1.01225. So the quarterly interest rate is I equal to 1.01225 minus 1, and we got 0.01225. This is the interest rate per quarter. To find the annual interest rate, which is K, we multiply by 4. So K equal to 0.01225 by 4, and we got K equal to 0.049 or 4.9% per year. So the value of K is 4.9% per annum.
Greetings everyone, my name is Muhammad Adif Nabil Hakim alias Mat Harun. Moving to the question A, find the monthly payment. So the monthly payment is basically the R value. So since I only have the A value, so I will use the present value, the A value. So the formula is A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power negative n divided by I bracket. So I just put all the value in the formula, and the final answer is 3,803.82 cents. We're moving to the question B. Calculate the interest charge. As what I say, I only have the A value. So the interest charge, I will go to find the interest charge for the present value, the A value. So the formula is I equal N times R minus A. It will be 360 times 3,803.82 cents minus with 742 ringgit, 42 ringgit thousand. So the final answer is I equal RM 622,375.20 cents. We're moving to the question C. Immediately after paying the 288 payments, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. So the balance for the question is more to present value, the A value. So first of all, the total N value is 360. We need to find the balance for the N. So 360 we just minus with 288, so it will be 72. By using the same formula, the A formula, and the final answer is A equal 238,932 ringgit 73 cents. That is the final answer. Last but not least, I'm moving to the question D. If he fails to pay for the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. So, in this question, it's more to future value, the S value. So, I'm using the future value, the S value. So by using the S formula, I just put all the value in the formula. And the final answer is 23,042 ringgit 0.736 cents. In this video, I would like to explain about questions 5 for business mathematics assignment. So my calculation is 18,999 times with 15%, and the answer is 2,849.85 cents. So the balance is 18,999 minus with 2,849.85 cents, and the final answer is 60,149.15 cents. That is the A value. So next I will find the other value from this statement. So I just switch the percentage value to the normal value, so it will be K equals 0.0525. He agrees compounded monthly. So compounded monthly is the M value, so M equals 12. He agrees to pay equal monthly installments of Rm 488 ringgit. So equal the monthly installment, that is the R value, so R equal 488 ringgit. Next, I will find the N value. The N, if I want to find the N value, I will do M times T. So it will be 12T. Last is I value. The I value is equal K divided by M. So it will be 0.0525 divided by 12. And the I value is 0.004375. So from the statement, the question want me to find the T value. Final answer is T equal 3 years. So the Chong have need to pay monthly installment for 3 years.